It's easy to feel safe from termites in the comfort of your own home, but the fact is, there's a good chance drywood termites are inside your home already. A drywood termite colony can consist of thousands or fewer than 100 termites. Because of their size, a drywood termite colony can live inside a single piece of wood, making signs of an infestation hard to find. In fact, you might have several colonies inside a single piece of wood, so termites can be anywhere in your home causing damage. When it's time to treat, it's important to understand your options. Spot treatments refer to methods that treat specific locations where signs of termites are found. A technician inspects your home for drywood termite evidence and damage. In any location a technician believes termites might be located, it will be necessary to access the structure by drilling into wood trim, walls, ceilings, and floors to apply a drill and inject treatment. These areas and only these areas are treated. While you may eliminate the termites that come into contact with these treatments, the rest of the colony may survive, and other existing colonies remain untreated. With heat treatment, sections of or an entire wall, floor, or other area of the home must be heated to a high temperature for hours. As with all spot treatments, there is a threat of damage to the home, and only the termites exposed to the required temperature are eliminated. Spot treatments can be effective against the termites they come into contact with. However, there is no complete guarantee you've eliminated the colony, or all of the colonies, since there aren't always signs of infestation. Additionally, a technician cannot get to all structural surfaces in a home. And it only takes 20 drywood termites to rebuild a colony, meaning the damage will continue, and so will your visits from pest control. With fumigation, the treatment is one and done. A pest management professional, whose primary concern is the safety of your family and your home, will walk you through the steps to achieve complete termite elimination. But what's happening in your home after you've made the decision to fumigate? Fumigation simply means that a gas, Vicane, is dispersed into your home. The gas permeates the home, and all termite colonies are exposed before Vicane is aerated completely. This means that finding all the termite colonies is not necessary. Vicane does that part. Your house is tented to keep Vicane at just the right concentration to eliminate all the termites. Like inflating a balloon, it keeps the gas contained. Vicane is dispersed into your sealed home, and as a gas, it permeates the entire structure. There is nowhere a termite can be that Vicane can't get to. Most importantly, because of Vicane's chemical structure, just as easily as it permeates your home, once the seal is removed, the gas dissipates rapidly, leaving no surface residue. Like deflating a balloon, the gas is thoroughly aerated from your home. Readings are taken to ensure that the Vicane gas is aerated before your pest management professional welcomes you back home, termite-free. When you know your options, why risk it? Fumigation with Vicane offers peace of mind with 100% assurance that all termite colonies will be eliminated. Vicane, your one-and-done termite elimination solution.